I'd say for a company considering attending one of Beauty Connect's seminars or events, really consider what you're trying to learn and gain from the event. Do your research and see who's attending and what sessions will be held, and come with questions and goals of networking just to make the most out of your experience. I'm curious to see the evolution of the beauty industry within the next 5 years to include more personalization, more focus into different strategies, whether that be D2C growth, white labeling, different products, or retail. So I think in the next 5 years, we're gonna continue to see an evolution in personalization and focus on different channels of sale. Fast forwarding to 10 years, it's pretty hard to predict, but I think we are really gonna focus on what products are stand out and where they fit within the industry, making sure that each product brought to market really serves a purpose and talks to its audience. One of the most promising trends is sustainability efforts, which is a pretty broad term, but I think it could be narrowed down into looking at the ingredients you're using while creating your product, focusing not just on external packaging, but packaging of the unit itself, what raw materials are used to comprise each of those different types of units, and where are your sourcing capabilities. So sustainability will continue to be a huge focus. We've seen some growth and really attention to the end consumer need, but we're gonna continue to see that evolve over time. What I'm really looking forward to is being able to connect with people again in person and get that FaceTime connection to build relationships and really be here to learn. Beauty Connect has done a great job in setting up a wide variety of different experts to be available and talk about, anything from investing to product development. So I'm really here to learn and meet others.